Realme took a big leap earlier this month when it launched its first laptop called the Realme Book Slim. At the launch, Realme compared the Realme Book Slim with Apple's MacBook models, but it was more about the design than the hardware. While the Realme Book Slim is lighter than the MacBook Air, it is also slimmer than the MacBook Pro. Realme Book Slim is a premium laptop. The laptop has very few ports. You have two USB-C ports. One of it supports Thunderbolt 4 and charging, and the other is a USB-A Gen C port for connecting devices and a 3.5 headphone and microphone combo jack for audio. Talking about the software, it is a Windows 10 out of the box. However, Realme has promised that the Realme Book Slim is eligible for a Windows 11 upgrade later this year. I would like to mention that there were no lags or jitters while navigating. This is because the laptop has 8 GB of RAM, which is sufficient for most tasks. I absolutely love how pleasant this display looks, but there is a grip that this display gives glare. Realme Book Slim comes in two configurations. There is an 11th Gen Intel Core i3 processor with 256 GB SSD and an 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor with 512 GB SSD. Realme has promised a battery life of 11 hours. My overall experience so far with the Realme Book Slim has been good, but this is just the beginning. I have yet to put the Realme Book Slim through a rigorous test to see whether or not it succeeds. That will define whether Realme has been able to give it back to Xiaomi, which recently launched the Redmi Book laptops with mixed reviews.